In this video, we will show you how to take any image and convert it into a sketch-like embroidery design. Using this patent-pending new tool, you can turn an image into embroidery reminiscing a charcoal sketch. The big advantage of sketch stitch is that it is designed to cover close to 20% of the area with stitching, thus providing an impressive but low stitch count embroidery. This makes sketch ideal even for delicate or stretchy fabrics like t-shirts, as the embroidered fabric remains flexible and soft. Sketch provides an artistic interpretation of an image with few colors, few stitches, and very flexible embroidery so that it can be done by anyone, even a novice embroiderer, with minimal resources and minimum time. Sketch stitch requires black thread or an assortment of gray shades for a more intricate look. The usage is really simple. Start a new design and locate an image using the From File option. You may also start a blank design only with the image by using the Open option from the Welcome tab and selecting the image. The Load Image dialog comes up. Use Open as Sketch option and adjust the size of the image if you like. Apply the conversion. Just like that, you get the selected image converted into this black sketch design. There are some properties you may want to adjust to further customize your sketch. First of all, you can change the number of colors. As already mentioned, by default the sketch is done with just black color, so that the embroidery is light with minimal layers of stitches, therefore easier to produce. If you choose to increase the number of colors though, the result gets more depth and detail, in expense to more color changes and higher number of stitches. Still, the number of stitches will be less than usual embroidery. Have in mind also that if you select a thread manufacturer palette, the sketch preview will change. This happens because the software will use the available gray colors of the chosen palette. Some palettes may have more gray colors, while others may have less, so a sketch may look more impressive in one palette than another. You may also adjust the distance between the sketch lines using density. Likewise, you may adjust the stitch length using the Length option. Using smoothing, the sketch lines become smoother, as the software automatically decides which parts would be better smoothed out. Using blending, you can control how much the colors will blend, that is, in case you've chosen gray shades and not just black thread. By default, a medium amount of blending is applied on the design's colors. If you select none, there will be no blending between the design's colors. In this case, the edges between the different colors and shapes will not overlap. Using low blending, a small amount of blending is applied on the design's colors, leading to minimal overlapping between different colors and shapes. Obviously, using high blending, a large amount of blending is applied between the design's colors, therefore leading to high overlapping between the different colors and shapes. Finally, using full, the maximum possible amount of blending is applied between the design's colors. With brightness, you can actually adjust the brightness of the image. And since Sketch Stitch automatically detects image parts, the increase or decrease in brightness directly improves the embroidery output. This can be set from -48 up to 47, that is above 0, of course. The same goes for contrast. Any change in contrast directly affects the sketch design. Finally, using the sketch brush, you may adjust the width of the sketch lines. Be careful though when decreasing the width as this may actually result in more stitches. This is all you practically need to apply Sketch. Most bitmaps look stunning in Sketch, while others may look better in cross stitch, photo stitch, or paint stitch. You may easily experiment between all these bitmap fill types you shall find under the Properties bar. You may even try combining these bitmap files to create uniquely artistic embroidery. More on that later.